Hi everyone, I just want to give you a very quick introduction to your first rhetorical exercise. Now this one is maybe a little bit unusual because it's an opportunity to introduce yourself. So it's acting a little bit like a discussion board where you get to introduce yourself, but I am asking you to do so by starting to talk about and engage in the concept of food justice so that you all can sort of see what experience or lack of experience you all have about this particular concept. So like any rhetorical exercise, I'm going to provide you sometimes some notes or directions. In this case, I'm reminding you that to check your due dates on your discussions and how I grade the discussion boards and the rhetorical exercises, which is basically as long as you give it a really fair try and get it done and do it all, you're going to get the points. If it seems like you're just kind of not really engaged, or it's a half-hearted effort, or it's not 100% complete, or you failed to respond to your classmates when you've been asked to, you're going to get, you're not going to receive the credit for it. So here I talk a little bit about why we write, why it's important, provide a little bit of an introduction about food justice, and have a short video there for you to go through to learn a little bit more about food justice and food security. This video will come in handy later when we actually write about the topic. You'll be allowed to incorporate this. And then I provide your directions for you, which is introduce yourself a little bit. What are you studying? Maybe what year you're in. Talk a little bit about writing, since up above I talk a little bit about the importance of writing and why we write. Kind of how you characterize yourself, how you engage in the practice of writing. And then, based on the video that we watched, tell us a little bit about, what you know about food justice, what you knew before the video, kind of what you took away from the video. And I'm looking for you to do all of this in a kind of a thoughtful, full sentences discussion here. So if you have any questions, let me know, but I'm looking forward to reading your responses.